19 cars set for 20 laps for the Pure Stocks, presented by Hogan Law and McClurklin Properties of Cambridge. The 16 of Alex Stewart, the 22 of Jordan Willms lead the field to green through 3 and 4. We're going to see the green flag fly. We are underway for the Pure Stocks. $25 laps the distance here in this one. Jordan Willms out front. Courtney Scott going to slide into second spot. Then Rick Mitchell in third. 16 of Alex Stewart getting shuffled back there just a little bit. Alex Stewart trapped on that outside in that orange and blue number. Oh, bit of contact in 3 and 4. Big wiggle. Around goes the 16 of Alex Stewart. Oh! 83 of Mike Hall, heavy into the wall. Caution flag on the speedway. So 2 laps in the books of this one. We're ready to go back. Green flag racing, 25 laps will be the distance. Our Bennett GM Chevrolet Pace truck pulls off. Jordan Willms, Courtney Scott going to lead the field back to green. 2 laps in this one. Green flag is back in the air. We're back underway. Big side-by-side restart. Jordan Willms on the bottom. Courtney Scott on the top side. Willms pushes up just a little bit. They're going to be side-by-side down the back straightaway. Scott on the top. Willms on the bottom. Still side-by-side. They're 2x2 for 4 rows deep as Willms is going to lead this lap just by a half bender. Willms still out front, holding on to that race lead. Courtney Scott in second. Leo Labarbera trying to thread the needle in the middle there as well. He's going to be tucked up inside. He's going to try to make a move to the inside of Courtney Scott. Labarbera makes a big move with that 42 car. Field still doubled up here, a few rows deep. Jordan Willms trying to escape out front. He's got about a car length lead over that 10 of Courtney Scott. Leo Labarbera runs in third. Fourth would be the 12 of Chance Rogers. In fifth, the 73 of Rick Mitchell. Mitchell looking to the inside of the 12 of Chance Rogers. They're 2x2, 4 rows deep. Keep an eye on that number 6 car of Wayde Thorne as he tries to make his way from the back, trying to move himself up through the field after that early contact sent him to the back of the field. But right now, Jordan Willms out front, Courtney Scott in second, Leo Labarbera third, fourth, 12 of Chance Rogers, from the 73 of Rick Mitchell, the 90 of Gary Slama, 92 of Craig Cole, 17 of Spencer Riddell, and the 28 of Cameron Thompson. Chase Mitchell in that pack as well. Hungry drivers. Oh, big contact. Around goes the 73 of Rick Mitchell, the 3 of Chase Mitchell, Craig Cole. All the drivers maybe seem to sort themselves out. We're going to stay under the green flag condition. Tough break for the 92 of Craig Cole as he was working his way up through the field. Now he's going to try to sort himself back out. Looks like we're going to continue under the green flag condition. Jordan Willms still out front. Courtney Scott is in second. Third, the 42 of Leo Labarbera. Fourth, the 12 of Chance Rogers. In fifth, the 90 of Gary Slama. Lap number 9 goes up on the board of this one of this 25-lap feature event for the Pure Stocks, presented by Hogan Law and McClurklin Properties of Cambridge. Oh, what around in the middle of turn 3 and 4. Caution flag is going to fly. Haley Hill in that 24 car goes around right in the middle of turns 3 and 4. GM Chevrolet pace truck is going to make that hard left-hand turn and bring that machine to the infield. Hand the field back over the 22 of Jordan Willms and the 10 of Courtney Scott. Off of turn 4. They're going to look for the green flag, and we're back underway. Jordan Willms, Courtney Scott side by side down into turns 1 and 2. Scott trying to take the outside, but Willms trying to keep that momentum up on the bottom side. It's a 3-car breakaway at the front of the field. Willms locks it up just a little bit, getting into 3 and 4. But he's going to take that race lead, and now the battle for second is on. Chance Rogers down to the inside on the 10 of Courtney Scott. Rogers to the bottom. Now he's going to bring along the 42 of Leo Labarbera as well. Courtney Scott on the top. They're going to be 3 wide, trying to drive into 3 and 4. 3 wide. Labarbera in the middle. He backs out of it just a little bit. Gary Slama on the bottom. Courtney Scott on the top. Our points leader coming into tonight, that 6 of Wayde Thorne, is making his way back up through the field. He got shuffled all the way to the back of this 15-car field after lap number 2 incident. He's worked his way up into the top 5 now as he works on the 42 of Leo Labarbera. Labarbera now on the outside. He's got some pressure now from the 17 of Spencer Riddell. As Riddell now looks to the inside, but no dice. Up ahead of them now, the battle for third is on. Gary Slama, Courtney Scott going toe-to-toe. Scott trying to see if they can keep that momentum up on the bottom side, but Slama trying to go high, wide, and handsome on the top side, and right now he has that spot in that number 90 car. Slama is going to take that third spot away now to set his sights on the race leaders, the 22 of Jordan Willms and the 12 of Chance Rogers. Those two drivers broken away by about 4 to 5 car lengths over that 90 of Gary Slama. This time we work lap number 14, goes up on the board of this one. 25 laps of distance for the Pure Stocks presented by Hogan Law and McClurklin Properties of Cambridge. Jordan Willms out front, Chance Rogers in second, Gary Slama third, fourth, and fifth now in the battle. Courtney Scott on the bottom, Wayde Thorne on the top. Thorne trying to go on the high side around that 10 of Scott. Trying to put that Beer Bites APC BT Racing number 6 into the top 4 spots. Battle for the race lead is on there as well. Chance Rogers looking to the top side on the 22, Jordan Willms. Rogers trying to go the high wide, and he will. New race leader will be the 12 of Chance Rogers. Rogers slingshots that machine out front, and now Jordan Willms. Sounds like there might be a little bit of problems on that 22 car. Bit of a bog coming off the straightaway. Right there, we can see a little bit of a hesitation on that 22 car. He's lost a lot of ground here, but now the race lead is the 12 of Chance Rogers. The 90 of Gary Slama slots in second spot. Lap number 18 goes up on the board in this one. Trying to read the scoreboard. We got a couple lights out, but that's okay. We'll make it work. Chance Rogers still out front. Gary Slama in second. Third will be the 22 of Jordan Willms. Fourth, the 6 of Wayde Thorne. Fifth, the 10 of Courtney Scott. Sixth will be the 42 of Leo Labarbera. Seventh, 17 of Spencer Riddell. Eighth, the 73 of Rick Mitchell. Ninth, the 40 of Mark Allen. 10th, the 64 of Chris Burrows. Then the 37 of Rachel Mitchell. Then the 97 of Megan Mitchell. Then the 92 of Craig Cole. And the 24 of Haley Hill. Battle for the race lead is on as we see 5 laps to go in this one. Gary Slama on the top, Chance Rogers on the bottom. Rogers trying to see if he can put that 12 on the top spot of the podium. The leader's trying to work around the 24 of Haley Hill. Off of 4, Rogers slides up just a little bit. They're still side by side for the race lead. Side by side for the third spot as well. This time off of turn number 2 though, Gary Slama is going to slide out to the race lead. Chance Rogers slots in second. Now third will be the 6 of Wayde Thorne. Slama now your race leader. Chance Rogers trying to close him down. 3 laps to go in this one. Battle for fourth is going to start to heat up as Jordan Willms trying to hang on to that 22 car. Courtney Scott's going to go to the outside. That's going to be a side-by-side battle for fourth. This time off of 4, 2 to go. Gary Gary Slama. Out front, Chance Rogers runs in second. Third will be Wayde Thorne. Down the back straightaway into turns 3 and 4. This time off of 4. White flag will be in the air. One more jump around for the 90 of Gary Slama. Down into turns 1 and 2. For the final time, Chance Rogers about 3 car lengths back. He's going to try to hold on to that second spot. Slama in the lead. Rogers in second. Final time into 3 and 4. Off of 4, clean and green. The number 90 of Gary Slama picks up the win. Coming home in second will be the 12 of Chance Rogers. Third, the 6 of Wayde Thorne. Fourth, the 22 of Jordan Willms. Fifth, the 42 of Leo Labarbera.